provide clues to the angle of the crash. Happening now, a fast-moving winter storm packing a dangerous combination of snow, sleet, and ice is moving through the Midwest, and it's expected to dump up to a foot of snow in parts of the Northeast. More than 54 million people are now under extensive winter alerts. And according to FlightAware, at least 290 flights within, into, or out of the U.S. scheduled for today have now been delayed. And then more than 400 flights have been canceled. Now, the storm's timing, of course, is complicating some travel plans for many fans who are headed to New Orleans for tonight's Super Bowl game. However, there are no major weather issues in the forecast for the host city, and temperatures are expected to be in the 70s. I mean, 70s sound nice, Hallie, but when you hear what's happening in other parts of the Midwest, we cannot complain about conditions we have here in Michigan.
No, that same system, of course, moved through our area, brought us just a couple inches of snow. It was stronger to the west of us, it was stronger to the east of us, and now we're in the middle, and we can deal with 1 to 2 inches. It got a little messy yesterday, we know that, and this morning, roads are going to be a little snow covered if they haven't been treated. If they have been treated, they're wet or maybe a bit slushy in some spots, but things will continue to improve as we go through the morning into the afternoon. Some quiet couple of days on the way. That's going to be nice. Colder than average temperatures, though, so we're not going to quite get to that average of 34 degrees here in the next 7 days, and we're watching a storm brewing for midweek. As far as snowfall reports, just falling between that 1 to 2 inch margin across Metro Detroit with those higher totals as expected. Up to the north of I-69 through the Thumb. Some of those areas were closing in on almost 7 inches of snow in some spots. Now we're left over with a few lake effect flurries from time to time. You can see on the west side of the state up toward Traverse City, a little bit more coverage and a little more intensity. For us, a lot of that is confined to areas north of I-69 at this point, with a few snow showers moving toward Lapeer at this point. So as we go through the day today, no, there's not going to be a whole lot there. This morning, give or take, some cloud cover and flurry. West winds about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Over the next 12 hours, you can see upwards of maybe 10 into the afternoon, and then some higher gusts. We factor it in, and it's going to feel a little bit cooler at times. It does this morning. By the afternoon, it will as well, but temperatures are already in the low to mid 20s. We have a wind chill of 15 in Ann Arbor, 16 in Howe. Feels like 16 degrees in Detroit currently, so not too bad. Moving ahead with the lighter winds, we'll top off near 30 degrees today, so staying just below that freezing mark with upper teens as far as our wind chill temperature carrying us through our Sunday afternoon. Hour by hour forecast shows, again, not a whole lot left. High pressure building in from the west. We also have high pressure to the north of us. That'll keep us dry tomorrow. Tomorrow we should see a few more breaks in the cloud cover, which will be nice to start the week. Tuesday it fills back in. Tuesday with the system coming through, a few spotty snow showers from time to time. It doesn't look like we're going to see a whole lot as the system lacks the moisture and the intensity to really bring in anything widespread, but that changes at this point. We're watching a pretty major storm developing on Wednesday, second half of Wednesday, moving through Wednesday night and the first part of Thursday. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Too early to indicate snowfall amounts, but it certainly looks like we're going to see accumulating snow if this stays on the same track Wednesday into Thursday. So stay tuned for that here in the coming days. You'll want to know that, especially for traveling. Temperatures today anywhere from the mid 20s to around 31 degrees. Same goes for tomorrow, upper 20s on Tuesday. It gets colder with that snow chance increasing for midweek.